Motoriste is die afgelope paar weke gewaarsku oor die drastiese verhogings in petrol en dieselpryse wat vanaf 1 April in werking tree. In Bosmasburg het inwoners reeds vroegoggend begin tou staan om nog brandstof teen die laagpryse in te gooi voordat die nuwe verhoogde tariewe vanaand intree. Volgens die jongste beskikbare inligting word verwag dat brandstofpryse skerp sal styg. Petrol 93 met sowat R5.31 per liter. Petrol 95 met sowat R5.82 per liter. Diesel met meer as R10 per liter. Dit beteken motoriste kan nou verwag om ongeveer R25 tot R26 per liter vir petrol te betaal en R28 tot R29 per liter vir diesel afhangend van ligging. Die styging is een van die grootste in onlangse jare en gaan waarskynlik 'n kettingreaksie veroorsaak met hoë vervoerkoste wat uiteindelik voedsel en ander lewenskoste sal opstoot. Daar is reeds aanduidings dat die impak direk op pendelaars gevoel sal word, met taxipryse wat na verwagting met sowat R6 per rit verhoog vanaf 1 April. Vir baie inwoners in Bosmasburg was die toneel by volstasies vanoggend 'n duidelike teken van die druk wat hierdie verhoging op huishoudings plaas. 'n Laaste poging om elke sent te spaar voordat die nuwe pryse inskop.
Hi, ek is Cameron Lou by Mr. Fix, ons adverteer by Horizon Media.
Die naam Norman Poelers is geen vreemdeling in Bosmasburg nie. Inteendeel, die woonbuurt Normansville dra sy naam, 'n bewys van sy gevestigde teenwoordigheid in die gemeenskap. Poelers is vandag amptelik as raadslid ingesweer en het tydens die geleentheid sy visie vir die toekoms vir die mense van Bosmasburg gedeel.
Norman Poelers, ek is van Bosmasburg. Ek is 'n raadslid van die STC, Safe Tsansabani Coalition. Ek is vandag ingesweer as 'n raadslid. Die rede vir terugkom na die munisipaliteit is te kyk of ons 'n verandering kan maak in die breë Tsansabani. Ek is nie in die veld nie. Ek is ou hand in die veld. So ek verstaan so 'n bietjie die munisipaliteit en sekere riglyne en wette van die munisipaliteit. En daarom het die STC mee gemandateer om namens hulle as raadslid te dien. Die doel van die STC is om 'n verskil te maak. En ek glo in 'n kort tyd kan ons baie dinge doen. Daar sekere goede wat ons klaar as STC in plek het om seker te maak sekere doelwitte word bereik en dit die vooruitgang en vir die beste is van Bosmasburg. Dankie.
Goeiedag, ek is Marie Wessels, vroeër van Bosmasburg, tans woonagtig in Landeikers. Ek doen industriële borduurwerk. Julle is baie welkom om my te kontak by 083-658-3790. Ek doen industriële borduurwerk vir almal in die omgewing, Landeikers, Danielskuil, Bosmasburg. Kontak my net indien julle my nodig het enige besigheid, enige privaat persoon. Baie dankie. Baie.
This Easter, we must work together to reduce fatal crashes on our roads because every life lost is one too many. The DA in the Western Cape urges all motorists to remember that traffic officers cannot be everywhere and personal responsibility saves lives. We have already seen a 1.25% decrease in fatalities this year, showing that visibility enforcement works. Please buckle up and never drink and drive or walk under the influence. Government is providing the tools, but safer roads depend on responsible behavior. Let's make sure everyone arrives home safely this Easter weekend. Thank you.
Hi, this is Leslie Renz of Emmanuel Transport. I have been awarded with a Partnership Recognition Award by the BISOT Global Training Institute. And you can read most of my story in the Horizon Media magazine, April edition. Thank you.
Operation Paseka's disruptive actions has commenced in the Northern Cape to ensure safety and security during the Easter holiday period and beyond. With more boots on the ground in the Kuruman, Motivistat and Batlagos policing areas, efforts were intensified to clamp down on crime in the respective areas. Crime prevention operations commenced on 23rd of March 2026 and concluded on the 30th of March 2026. The disruptive actions included vehicle checkpoints, stop and searches, house raidings, compliance inspections, and suspect tracing. During the operation, 20 liquor outlets were inspected, 9 houses were raided, drugs and cash believed to be proceeds of crime were seized. 483 vehicles were stopped and searched, while 40 J5 reports were issued for various traffic violations. 1,823 persons were stopped and searched, during which 5 persons were arrested for crimes including armed robberies. The Deputy Provincial Commissioner for Police, Major General Johnny Besnar, encouraged members to continue their fight against crime as mandated by Section 205 subsection 2 of the Constitution. He applauded the members for their relentless efforts in addressing crime in the affected areas in order to restore the confidence of the community in the police by executing intensified actions.